Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. Today we're doing something that's super cute. Well, the outside is super cute. I don't think I've seen any spoilers. I tried to stay away from them because this box is notorious of showing spoilers. But it is the Glow Addict box, and look at how stinking cute it is wrapped up. Well, not wrapped up, but I mean the picture of the little bow. It's from Glow Addict. It's so stinking cute. It does go all the way around. You guys, they killed it with packaging this month. Again, I forget how much this box is. I always forget to look it up and put it, or let you guys know. I know they have a bigger box now, so this is, there's 3 tiers. This is the middle tier. So, without further ado, I want to see what's in this box. So, let's just get into it. Okay, so this is the December box. Normally their boxes do come a little bit later. I know shipping has been crazy this month because of the Christmas holiday. But at least I'm getting this done before January gets here. So let's get into this box and see what's in it, you guys. I have loved their boxes, so I'm expecting a really good box for December. When you open it up, here's what I see. I've had these before, so not off to a great start. I don't think they have a paper in the Glow Addict box, do they? That's one thing they should do. They should have a paper. They do not, so let's just go over the products. These are shadow shields, so it protects your eyes from fallout. That's basically all it is. Remove top corners of backing and apply shield below the eye. Apply eye makeup. When finished, gently remove shield and dispose. And then it says, hello, flawless. I probably won't use these because I generally will do my eye makeup first so I can use a makeup wipe to wipe off underneath. But you never know. Maybe there's one day that I do my makeup first, or my foundation first, and then I want to go in with eyeshadow. These could be useful. Moving on, we have, it looks like another Suva Beauty lipstick. I think I have this one. This is a glossy lamination liquid lipstick from Suva Beauty. Their packaging is so cute. I love the ombre purple to silver. Illusionist, did I say Illusionist is the shade? And let's see if I can get it open. Pretty sure I have this. And it is a purpley shade. So, I mean, it's not a bad formula. I'm just pretty sure I have it, and I don't tend to go for these colors. I'm not mad at it though. Moving on, it looks like we have 2 little, I guess, concealer blenders, and they're in green and red, so you can't get mad about that. They are in Christmas colors. Oh my gosh, and it has a Christmas tree on one and a candy cane on the other. I don't know if if you guys are gonna be able to see this. Let me get it out of this little baggie so I can show you. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So here is, this is so hard. Here is the red one. Yeah, you can kind of see it. See the little Christmas tree? And then there is the green one with the little candy cane on it, you guys. That's super cute. So you can't get mad at that. I mean, it's not bad because it is good for your concealer. It's just, I generally don't use 2 beauty blenders. But, like I said, you can't get mad at it because it's so stinking cute, and you never know. You could, you know, need these one day or want to use them, be real precise. That would be perfect because they are really pointy. So, moving on. It looks like there are only 2 more things left in this box. I mean, not bad considering, I think it's like 20, gosh, I'm probably wrong. It's either 21 or 29. I don't know. Anyway, this is a brush set. And it is from Kala. We see this a lot at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. And it says cosmetic brush collection with carrying case. And it is 7 pieces. So here's what it looks like. It's actually really cute. And then there's the back. The case is a silver case. And it has a powder brush, an angled eyebrow brush, a lip brush with a cover. Oh, okay, because it has a little lid to it. Angled eyeshadow brush, a blush brush, a shading brush, and an eye contour brush. If I didn't have my bling brushes that I use all the time, I would definitely open this. However, I do only pretty much use, let me do my shameless plug here. My bling brushes, look at how pretty they are. I love them. I just need to get the gold set now. But this is what I mainly use. So, and I just got that Luxie brush set from BoxyCharm, so I won't use these, but I definitely will be putting them away for a future giveaway. Nonetheless, it's really cute. It's great for, you know, it's a carrying case for when we can travel again. But, and their brushes are pretty good. I have bought a couple from Marshall's. So, I mean, not bad, you guys. All right, the star of the show. I think I've seen, I don't know if I've seen this or not. Let's see. Let me open it. It is a palette. But like I said, they do tend to spoil this on Instagram all the time. I don't know. Maybe this isn't the palette that I've seen. Maybe there's a different palette in the bigger box. This is stinking cute, and it's giving me glam glow vibes. Not glam glow. It's giving me a glam light vibes. Wow. All right, so it is the Cookies palette. Millennial Beauté, I guess is who it's from. 12 colored eyeshadow palette infused with cannabis sativa seed extract. Okay, let's see. Same thing on the inside. Oh, you guys, this is actually really pretty. Okay, so the mirror is super cute. It does have the cookies going all the way around it. And then here are the shades. You guys, that's really pretty. So here are your shades. And we have butter, icing, macaroon, snowball, raisin, shortbread, velvet, chocolate, biscotti, frosted spritz, and matcha. I love those two greens right there. Do I want to swatch? I have so many palettes that have all these colors in it, and I probably could do a really good giveaway with this. So I don't think I'm going to swatch it. It's so cute though. I want to touch it so bad, but I know that somebody else will get more use out of this than I would, because like I said, I have a lot of palettes. I really want to swatch this, but I can't be greedy, and I think that if I do a giveaway that somebody would get a lot of use out of this. So you know what? Let's just do it. Let's do it, you guys. It is like 2 days after Christmas that I'm filming this. Let's do a giveaway. Let's just do it. So I'm going to give this palette away. I'm going to give this brush set away. I'm going to give this, what is this? A lipstick away. And then I will also throw in a couple more products. Obviously, I don't have them in front of me, but I'll probably throw in a blush, maybe a powder or something. I will throw in a couple more things to fill the box. I am going to keep the little blender thingies because they're cute. Oh, we'll throw this in there though. And then, like I said, I'll throw in a couple more products. So here we are. Let's do a giveaway, you guys. This is so stinking cute. So I think whoever gets this is really going to love it. So to enter the giveaway, all the normal rules. I didn't even know we were going to do a giveaway in this video. So this is pretty exciting. This is like the first time I've ever done this. So I don't even know, like, I don't have a calendar in front of me or anything. So anyway, normal rules. We're going to do must be 18 or have parents' permission, US giveaway only. I'm sorry. I will have all these listed down in the description box as well if I forget anything, since I'm like on a whim here. Leave a comment down below. What did you get for Christmas that was your favorite item? Or what did you do for Christmas that was like, that blew you away this year? Like if you didn't do gifts or anything, what did you do for Christmas that blew you away? So one of the two, what you got or what did you do? I know, I don't make any sense. And what else are we forgetting? We'll do the giveaway. Let's see, it is 2 days after Christmas. So we'll do 2 weeks. we'll do January 15th. I don't know where that comes because like I said, I don't have a calendar in front of me, but we'll do January 15th is when it will end. I will be doing a comment picker, so comment as many times as you'd like. Just make sure that in the comment it says what I asked you to say, either what your favorite thing was or what your favorite thing you did for the Christmas holiday. I'm excited, you guys. If I forgot anything else, like I said, it will be down in the description. If you can, follow me on Instagram. I don't have a very big Instagram, but sometimes I do post some things over there. So if you have an Instagram, follow me on Instagram, like the video, you know, all that stuff. But you must be subscribed and you must leave that comment. That I will definitely check. So here we go. Giveaway. January 15th it ends, you guys. So good luck. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I know it's not like the best giveaway ever, but this palette is so stinking cute and I know these brushes are gonna be great. And like I said, I will put something else in there. So you guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Like I said, it will be a comment picker. Anything I forgot, I will put into the description, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day and good luck. Bye.